Motorists better fuel up. A massive oil price hike is expected in the country on Tuesday, March 8, 2022. In its official Facebook page, Caltex Philippines posted an advisory this Monday that effective tomorrow, they will increase the prices of gasoline at 3 pesos and 60 cents per liter, 5 pesos and 85 cents per liter for diesel, and 4 pesos and 10 cents per liter for kerosene. Other oil companies are expected to follow the same increases. In an advisory the Department of Energy posted on their website last March 1, they explained that crude oil prices rose following Ukraine invasion by Russian military forces and stoking fears of supply concerns across Europe and the world. Prices were last seen at these levels in August 2014 when Russia was sanctioned by the United States and Europe. At a gas station here in Barangay Lahug, diesel is already at 63 pesos to 67 pesos per liter, while gasoline is already at 73 pesos to 79 pesos and 53 cents per liter. But despite the current high rates today, motorists still lined up at gasoline stations to have their tanks filled before tomorrow's massive increase.
Magagwanta na sad ta to cope up with the rising prices sa oil. The other day, ako lang yung punan ng tawa niya, 55, 59 na de.
So far, prices of basic commodities in wet markets have not yet risen.
Marum Japon. Depende sa isda. Naiiban ng minus, naiiban mahal.
So wala pa yun kayo mo na feel ninyo ang...
Wala pa. Marum Japon isda. Naimu, brato sa'yo mahal. Dili yun perminti ba?
However, this has already been felt in eateries or carinderias, wherein each food serving is already 10 pesos more expensive because of the increase in the prices of LPG.
Na-51 jud ma'am.
Na-increase mo, ma'am?
Na-increase jud me, 10 pesos. Usual na mo price tag 50, karon tag 60, tag 70. Kaya tungod sa kamahal sa pamaliton sa merkado.
With 𝗍𝑆𝗩 𝗡𝗲𝑀, this has been Andrea Pateña-Matheu for MyTV Cebu.